Welcome back to English on Air, the podcast where adults learn real-life English in a fun and simple way.
Hello, everyone. We're very happy you're here today.
Okay, honest question. Have you ever wanted to quit something?
Oh, yes. Learning English, going to the gym, waking up early. Many things.
Exactly. Sometimes we start with motivation. Big motivation.
And then 2 weeks later, we say, okay, maybe tomorrow.
And then tomorrow becomes next week.
Yes. And today we're talking about something very important. Don't quit before success.
Because many people stop. Right before things get better.
Especially with English.
You study. You practice. But progress feels slow.
And then your brain says, maybe I can't do this.
But maybe you are much closer than you think. Let's start with a common situation. You study English for months, but you still feel stuck.
Yes, you understand videos a little better, you know more vocabulary, but speaking still feels difficult.
And that's frustrating.
Very frustrating.
Then something dangerous happens. You compare yourself to other people.
Oh yes, you see someone speaking English very well, and you think, why am I not like that?
Exactly. You forget something important. Everyone learns differently.
Sometimes progress is small, very small, but it still matters.
For example, maybe before you understood 20% of a podcast. Now you understand 50%.
That's progress.
Let me share something. One time, I started learning something new. At the beginning, I was excited.
Lots of motivation.
A lot. I practiced every day. But after some time, I felt tired.
What happened?
I stopped seeing fast results.
Ah, that's common.
Then I started thinking, maybe I should quit.
Many listeners feel the same way.
Yes, because success takes time.
And this is the important moment. When you feel tired, what do?
Do you stop or continue?
Let's talk about motivation. Motivation is great, but it comes and goes.
Exactly. Some days you feel motivated. Some days you don't.
That's why consistency is more important.
Consistency means doing something regularly, even when you don't feel motivated.
Maybe just 15 minutes a day, but every day.
Many people want fast success.
But real progress is usually slow, step by step, day by day. Imagine your friend says, I want to quit English. What can you say?
Don't give up. You're improving. Keep going.
Simple words, but powerful.
Let's do a conversation. I feel tired. My English is not improving.
Don't quit. Progress takes time.
But other people learn faster.
That's okay. Everyone learns differently.
Maybe you're right.
Keep practicing. You're getting better. That's natural encouragement. Let's review key words. 1. Quit. To stop doing something. Example, I don't want to quit. 2. Success.
2. Success. Good results. Example. Success takes time. 3. Progress.
3. Progress. Improvement over time. Example, I'm making progress. 4. Consistency.
4. Consistency. Doing something regularly. Example. Consistency is important. 5. Motivation.
5. Motivation. The feeling that makes you want to do something. Example, I have motivation today. 6. Improve.
6. Improve. To become better. Example. My English is improving. Repeat after us. Don't give up.
Success takes time.
I'm improving every day.
Keep going.
I don't want to quit.
Practice makes progress. Now full sentences. Repeat after us. I feel tired, but I will continue.
My progress is slow, but I'm improving.
I will not quit before success. So now you can talk about goals, motivation, and progress.
But we're not finished. Because success is also about mindset.
In the next part, we'll show you how to stay positive, how to deal with failure, how to continue when things feel difficult.
Stay with us, because this might be exactly what you need today. So, we talked about motivation and consistency.
Yes, but now let's talk about something difficult: failure,
Many people quit because they are afraid to fail.
especially when learning English. You make mistakes, you forget words, you feel embarrassed,
And then you think, maybe I'm not good enough.
but failure is not the end. Failure can teach you something.
Exactly. Every mistake shows you what to improve. Imagine this. You try speaking English with someone, but the conversation is difficult.
Maybe you feel nervous, maybe you make mistakes.
And after that, you feel bad.
Reaction number 1: I'm terrible, I should quit.
Reaction number 2. That was difficult, but I learned something.
The second mindset is stronger,
Many people think successful people improve quickly.
but usually they practiced for years.
Yes, people often see the success, but not the hard work behind it.
Success is often small daily actions: reading a little, listening a little, speaking a little.
Not one big action, many small actions. Patience is very important.
Yes, you cannot learn everything in 1 month.
Or 1 week.
Good English takes time.
Another important thing, stop comparing yourself too much.
Compare yourself to the old you, not other people.
Maybe last year you understood nothing. Now you understand podcasts.
That's real progress. You should also encourage yourself.
Yes, many people are kind to others, but hard on themselves.
Try saying, I'm improving. I can do this. I will continue.
Simple positive sentences can change your mindset. Let's do another conversation. I feel like quitting.
Why?
My English is still not good.
But you're improving.
Really?
Yes, you understand more and speak more confidently now.
Maybe I don't see my progress.
That happens. Keep going. That's supportive natural English.
Let's repeat the key idea.
Don't quit too early.
Progress takes time.
Success comes step by step. Let's review key words. 1. Failure. Not succeeding. Example, failure can teach you.
2. Mindset. The way you think. Example, positive mindset is important.
3. Patient. Able to wait calmly. Example, be patient with yourself.
4. Confidently. With confidence. Example, speak confidently.
5. Embarrassed. Feeling uncomfortable or shy. Example, I felt embarrassed.
6. Continue. To keep going. Example, I will continue learning. Repeat after us. I will not quit.
Success takes time.
I'm learning step by step.
Mistakes help me improve.
I will continue practicing.
I believe in myself. Now full sentences. Repeat after us. I feel tired sometimes, but I will keep going.
My progress is slow, but I'm improving every day.
I will not quit before success.
Before we finish, remember this. Many people quit too early,
Maybe success was very close, but they stopped.
so keep going, even if progress feels slow.
Every small step matters. Every practice session matters.
Your English does not need to be perfect today.
You just need to continue.
If this episode helped you, Share it with someone learning English.
Listen again. Repeat again. Practice every day.
We'll see you in the next episode of
English on Air. Keep practicing.
And Don't Quit.
Bye, everyone.